What's up, everybody? It's your boy Director Chill, Zone 8A. Guess what time of the year it is, baby? Gardening season. Well, we've already did some stuff. Sorry about that sunlight. But in this video, we're gonna be going over our raised bed situation. Show you some stuff we got gardening. Give you a quick look at the chickens and the chicks. Coming soon. Let's get it. So what we got here is our famous, there we go, raised bed that we built last year. Remember, we had a whole bunch of tomatoes in here, sunflowers, peas. Right now we got garlic. Garlic's been overwintering since about October. I got 2 strawberries in there, Bob and Bob. We are going to plant some peas here, and on the inside, we're going to do some rose carrots. Other things you can see, my potatoes, they actually started indoors, and then something happened. I don't think they were getting enough light indoors, so I put them on the front porch. And then, so they starting to take off. Got some little ones in there. Those haven't shitted yet. A couple other things. Still got these strawberries. They really didn't produce last year, but it was my first year. And on the Five Brothers, you know, my famous trellis right here, our raspberries is already starting to kick back. This is year 2. So we should get some raspberries, and yeah, another strawberry there. We're going to do a couple of things different this year. Got some big boys for that and that. We're doing a variety of tomatoes and peppers. What you won't see this season are any brassicas. Here's a sage. That overwintered. I don't know what that is. I think that's sweets. But the brassicas just took too long to grow. And, man, they just got hot so fast it didn't really work. So, here we go. Show you a few things we got going on. Okay, I got my handy dandy seed pack. Again, brassicas. I got something I'm gonna do with those. Berries, fruits, melons, watermelons, sweet peppers, tomatoes. It is not warm enough for that outdoors. I got some of those started inside. I'll show you here in a second. So we are going to do carrots. See, I got a Denver carrot in there, but I think I'm out of rainbow. I want to do rainbow. We're gonna do Denver. I'm gonna use those seeds up. Peas, which I do have one started inside, but right here we're gonna do some sugar snap. All right, so I got all my peas right up against this. Okay. I'm gonna push all those in, and then we're gonna do put our carrots in there. And I'm actually gonna cover up those holes, and we're actually gonna just do a thick layer probably, and just thin them later. You know, so kind of changed my mind. Carrots definitely need to be built on topsoil. We're gonna actually put some of that mulch, chicken bedding, once we finish this. What I'm going to do is lightly just sprinkle them in there. And then we're actually just going to come back later and thin them out. Now, carrots, they don't need sun, but they do need to stay moist. And then, of course, my beans. You know what? And I'll probably grab, here we go, a little extra soil I got, and just sprinkle it over. Sometimes I'll push in. A lot of times I don't mind just sprinkling over my stuff there. Put a little sprinkle on there. Yeah, say you can plant them 2 inches deep. I mean, sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. Now, I didn't do more than one per hole. I probably should have. Last season, the snap peas didn't even make it into the kitchen. They normally get 8 out here as I'm gardening. So, almost like a snack. Sugar snack peas is what they should call them. Alright, so I think that's all good. Those are all nice and covered in here. Carrots. I'm just going to do another thin layer. Kind of same deal here. They just need to stay moist. I'm just going to sprinkle in a little bit of this here, a little bit there. Grabbing this from just like some of the side of the bed over there by the garlic. Sharing is caring. Okay. There we go. So we got our peas and our beans. Those should be done by the end of May, early June. Carrots and them should be going. Potatoes as well. Let's take a look at some other stuff we got going in the garden. Alright. Of course, y'all know the chicken in the hen. There's only one hen now. The other one we harvest. We also have 2 babies. They're not so much babies anymore. And if it'll focus, there you go. Oh, they're on photo porch. 2 of those. And we got 3 smaller ones. These are about a month behind those other ones. All to believe to be hens. And over here, our incubator. We got, I think Mom's got 5 more going. So we're doing a little chicken math here, but it's worth it. We love the eggs. We get a lot of them. As you can see, eggs galore. Eggs, I want more. I got some potatoes that have chit. These are ready to plant. I'll probably take these outside. I need to cut them first though. So the insides heal. On some other drying rack. Got some russets in there. Still got my avocado plant. And my lemon, lime, and orange citrus. So hopefully this year we'll get some citrus growing. It's a dwarf tree. It goes back outside once it gets warm enough. So indoors, you see I got basil. That's that snap pea I was telling you about. Basil, of course. Tomato, and a pepper right there. And then these are my snapdragon peas here. Sorry about that light. They did pretty good. Got a good amount. We bagged some, put them in the freezer. When pea season comes, we're going to start back outside though. And indoors, so we're going jalapenos, trying to grow stuff that we actually eat more of. Jalapenos, we like stuffed jalapenos. These are planted 3-4. Yellow pear tomato. Marigolds have not came up yet. Oregano, nothing yet. Parsley, nothing yet. Basil, of course. I use basil in almost every dish. My wife's got some morning glory right there growing. Here, golden jubilee, age 55, zebra tomato, rainbow tomato. That is a serrano pepper, and then an actual banana pepper, and then some Roman tomatoes. Overall, I'm back at it. We haven't stopped gardening. I just don't show as many videos as I used to. Like I said, I got my real estate license. Wife's cutting the grass. She has fun doing that. But other than that, y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Director Chill. Here's Homestead on their day. Grow that thing. Peace.